Hey, I just got this new smart doorknob here. I really like this one because it has a deadbolt and it has the nice long handle, which adds some class to the front of your house. Let me show you what all the pieces look like, how to install it, and how it works. Here's all the components to this smart doorknob. You have the deadbolt that has the fingerprint and the keypads, and there's the back side with the locking mechanism. It does come with all the hardware you need to install, and then the lower handle here and the inside handle with all the hardware that you need as well. Nice thing with this is it does come with actual keys, and you get 5 of them, which is pretty impressive. And as far as directions and support goes, there is no shortage here. You have this installation guide right up here. It does have the Wi-Fi information that you need. And then it has the templates that you will need for installing it. All right, it's time to install this doorknob. I'm going to start with the deadbolt portion. It says make sure you start with this extended, and you want this part here down low. Next, I'm going to put the keypad portion on the outside of the door. Next, we're going to attach this plate to the inside of the door. You're going to plug this in right to the back. With the provided hardware, just screw it right onto the plate. Now you're going to insert 4 AA batteries. Put the cover on. Next, you're going to insert the new latch. I'm going to take the handle on the outside and attach the handle to the inside, like so. This is the way it looks. This is the way it looks on the outside. I might have to do a little touch up because of the different lock that I had on before, but I think the handle itself looks absolutely stunning. This smart doorknob comes with this Smart Life app. Here you can manage all the members that you want by entering their fingerprint information, their passwords. You can do a temporary password, as you can see down there near the bottom. This is a very easy to use app and very convenient. You're going to see here that it says the unlock records. So you could see who unlocked it, times it was unlocked, how it was unlocked, and it keeps all these records for you. All right, I'm going to show you this so you can see it opening and closing. You can just use your fingerprint and it unlocks it. You give that just a few seconds, the door will automatically relock. You can also use a passcode or a PIN, and all you have to do is enter your PIN information. And it unlocks. And of course, with 5 keys, each member of your family can have a key where you can manually unlock and lock the door. And when a guest comes over, they don't have a passcode and they don't have their fingerprint in it, but you wanted to let them in. Maybe you're on vacation and they're going to be taking care of your pets. They can hit this button right here. Gives a little doorbell sound. You'll see it pop up on your screen like this. And you can accept or not accept. And if you hit accept, the door will unlock for them and they can enter. Well, it is 2025, and if you still just have a regular doorknob and you want to step it up and get to the new generation here, this smart doorknob here with the deadbolt is great. It looks absolutely stunning here. You can enter your fingerprint, you can use a passcode, you can use the app on your phone, or you can use the key to open it. I really like this, and I think it's great.